Now I will explain exercise 6a problems. In exercise 6a, the first Roman first problem is convert the following into simplest form. Children, there are four problems. In those four problems, I will explain the first two problems. The remaining two problems do as homework. Okay? Right. Children, before going to learn exercise 6a, once observe the ASTC rule chart. The angles which are present in first quadrant are pi by 2 minus theta and 2 pi plus theta. Right? This 2 pi plus theta also can be expressed as 2n pi plus theta. Right. In second quadrant, there are pi by 2 plus theta and pi minus theta angles. Right? In third quadrant, pi plus theta and 3 pi by 2 minus theta angles. In fourth quadrant, 3 pi by 2 plus theta and 2 pi minus theta angles are there. Right? These 2 pi minus theta can be also expressed as 2n pi minus theta. Now I will explain this problem. Tan of theta minus 14 pi. This is the first problem of exercise 6a, right? Tan of theta minus 14 pi can be expressed as tan of minus of 14 pi minus theta, right? Already you have learned about negative angle identities. What is tan of minus theta, children? Minus tan theta. So that's why this can be rewrite as minus tan of 14 pi minus theta. Again, this can be expressed as 2 into 7 pi minus theta. Observe this. This is in the form of 2n pi minus theta. 2n pi minus theta means it lies in fourth quadrant, right? So, whenever you observe in this place 2 pi or 3 into 2 pi or 4 into 2 pi or anything into 2 pi, then the trigonometric function remains same. So that's why this is minus tan. In fourth quadrant, tan ratio is negative. Why? Because in fourth quadrant only cos and secant are positive. The remaining trigonometric ratios are negative. So that's why this can be written as, already minus symbol is there. Okay. In fourth quadrant the tan ratio is negative, minus of minus tan theta. Okay. Right. Which equal to how much? Tan theta. Therefore, tan of theta minus 14 pi equal to tan theta. Like that, we have to solve the first problem. Okay, write down in your notebook. I will explain the second problem also. Right? Observe the second problem of exercise 6a. Okay. Cot of 21 pi by 2 minus theta. Children, 21 pi by 2 can be written as 20 pi by 2 plus pi by 2. That is 10 pi plus pi by 2. So that's why this can be expressed as cot of, right? cot of 10 pi plus pi by 2. Already minus theta is there. Okay, right. Again, this can be expressed as 5 into 2 pi plus pi by 2 minus theta. Whenever you observe in this place 2 pi or 2 into 2 pi or 3 into 2 pi or anything into 2 pi, the trigonometric ratio remains same. So that's why cot pi by 2 minus theta. Cot of pi by 2 minus theta. Pi by 2 minus theta region represent first quadrant. In first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. Once recall the conversion rule. The given trigonometric ratio angle is in the form of pi by 2 minus theta or pi by 2 plus theta or 3 pi by 2 minus theta or 3 pi by 2 plus theta. Sin will become as cos, cos will become as sin. Tan will become as cot, cot will become as tan. Cosecant will become as secant, secant will become as cosecant. So that's why cot of pi by 2 minus theta means tan theta. Cot of pi by 2 minus theta means tan theta. Therefore, cot of 21 pi by 2 minus theta equal to how much? Tan theta. Like that we have to do, right?